In this question, you have to match the components in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, during the Mesozoic era, birds and reptiles were dominant, with reptiles such as dinosaurs thriving, and the first birds also appeared. Thus, A matches with 3. The Proterozoic era is known for the emergence of lower vertebrates and the development of simple multicellular organisms. Thus, B matches with 1. The Cenozoic era, which is often referred to as the age of the mammals, because mammals became the dominant terrestrial animals during this era. So, C matches with 4. The Paleozoic era saw the evolution and diversification of fish and amphibians, thus marking a significant progress in vertebrate evolution. So, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option B.